Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching and into another of my videos. This video is brought to you by the shinryseries Legendary Toys. So, who's a Star Wars fan? I'm a Star Wars fan, not like big, but I'm getting into it. I started watching The Mandalorian and I'm into episode 3, so I'm new to this and I love it. So Legendary Toys actually found a file on the internet about the Razor Crest, the ship of the Mandalorian. He sent it to me. We did a couple test prints. You can go look into my older videos, and we did a small scale for around 3.5 inch figures. So he decided he wanted a ship that was gonna be for the Marvel Legends 6-inch figures. So I did a couple test prints, and I'm gonna show you the cockpit test prints. Okay, guys, so get ready. So this is one. This is where the controls are, the front of the ship. And it's pretty good. I love the detail of this. It came out really good. I'm actually using SUNLU PLA, and I love it. It's just, I like the color, the black. It doesn't come off the bed. It was really good. But I got the other part, the back part. So it looks like, it's supposed to look like this. It looks fine, right guys? It looks beautiful. But I had a couple issues. I had a lot of stringing on my file. And I don't know if you guys can see it here and here. So actually this is a felt print right there. But I think that has to do with that slicer that I use. It didn't have the support necessary here for the PLA to come out good, or maybe just it's the string because a little shift on the bed of the printer. But it was around a 25-hour print that failed. Sadly, to fix it, it's a lot of work. Here it's really messed up. So this is a failed test print. It looks really nice, and I like how it looks. The controls in the inside, I don't know if you guys can see it and everything else. Sadly, it's a test, and sadly, it just failed. And sadly, I'm not gonna get this back. So, you know, and I mean, in the filament, I feel it's a little expensive because you waste a lot with the support and everything else. And once you start buying a lot of it. So what I would suggest, guys, really look how your print is gonna do. So right now, the first time I printed it like this, so you got supports on this side and this side. The problem was the support was not good enough here. So when one little fell string, and then the whole thing goes to crap. Okay, so what I would suggest for you guys is to print it like this, because it's gonna print a base strong enough here and here, and then you're gonna get support here in this area, but that support is gonna be fine. Because if you print it like this, the problem is you're gonna waste a lot of filament in the support for this part, and then that's even more support that you're gonna have to waste. I really don't know, guys. It's a hard one because here is a lot of support too, and here too. So it's hard, you know. You really gotta think outside the box. I'm actually using the Creality 3D slicing program because that's the one I came accustomed to. I'm gonna try to use Cura or the Prusa slicer. Now, the first time I used Prusa slicer, I had very bad experience. I actually did something wrong on the G code. I did a big mistake and I scratched the bed of the 3D printer, so I'm afraid of the Prusa. So what I'm gonna do is erase all the settings and start from scratch. So hopefully that will help me. Supposedly a lot of people say it's way better and it's faster, so I'm gonna do that. But this is it, guys. This is the cockpit of the Razor Crest. I freaking love it, guys. I love it. And actually, if I see it correctly, yeah, it's not aligning fine here. It looked like something happened. So yep, it was a shift. It was a shift in the layer. Wow, it was a big shift, like around 3 millimeters. So that's why this happened. Sometimes, you know, the bed moves too much, a little too much, and then the nozzle, so you gotta be careful. They always tell me to try to print it where most of the work of the printer is going this way, so it doesn't go too much back and forth. I forgot how you call the axis, but let me know what you guys think. Hopefully I can salvage this. I think I can get a little cut in here and there and salvage it. I'm thinking about buying a 3D pen just to make a couple things work out better. So let me know what you guys think. So this is a test, and it looks beautiful though. The cockpit is just so much detail in there. Let me know what you guys think. Please comment down below, subscribe, help me out over here. Like Legendary Toys Instagram and the shinryseries. They're the people that are making this happen. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.